matters of county importance, and Kisii County is a very important component of that discussion, Mr. Speaker. How I wish that this discussion we are having, we could have had it in Akamkunji first before we come. Because clearly, as you can see, Mr. Speaker, the House is not speaking from one voice. It means that there are issues that as leaders, we do not want to bury our head on the sand, and we need to address them. Number two, Mr. Speaker, I want to draw the attention of the House to the following articles of the Constitution. Number one is Article 176, which creates the county assemblies with clear mandate on what you are supposed to do, Mr. Speaker. That our role is to legislate, it's to oversight, and also to represent. Mr. Speaker, also Article 180 also provides us on how we are supposed to relate the county governments and the county assembly. And Mr. Speaker, my concern as a national of Kisii County, and I want to draw the attention of the members, is that what starts slowly like this can degenerate into making Kisii County ungovernable. And Mr. Speaker, it gives the president powers either to take over, like they did in Nairobi, or to dissolve the county. Those are matters that we need to look at as a county assembly, as leaders under Article 176, who have been given the mandate to represent and to protect. Mr. Speaker, there is a reason why the county assembly is created ahead of the executive. It's because we are the one to oversight the executive. And Mr. Speaker, our mandate is very clear. First, ours is to protect, like the Senate, the county of Kisii. So my urge, and I discussed it informally with the leader of majority, is that our House, we need to sit down, Mr. Speaker, and discuss, because there are issues clearly that we need to address as leaders of this county. Because one thing I can say here, without any fear of contradiction, there's nobody who has monopoly of violence. That I can say. And it's true in this county of ours, for the number of days we are having violence coming in. Kisii, like Honorable Karen said, is known as a peaceful county. We need to nurture that. So for me, I will never wish even my enemy violence, because it's not a gentleman way to do things. So, Mr. Speaker, yes, we have a motion of county importance. Yes, the issues of the GSU, but also, yes, Mr. Speaker, there are issues we need to address as leaders of Kisii County. Thank you. I rest my case.